Hello, Soviet.Market speaking. Today, I'd like to tell you about the Vostok Amphibian watch. The manufacturer number of this watch is 090659. This watch is made in Russia. Manufacturer, Vostok Watch Factory. The original manufacturing packaging is the black Vostok box. Russian watch documents inside. Additionally, we put the English owner's manual into the box. The movement is an automatic self-winding one. Automatic watches can be wound manually. A mechanical watch is powered by an internal mainspring. But remember, if you do not wear your watch for more than 24 hours, it'll need to be wound manually. The watch's movement has a winding safety device to avoid overwinding. There are 31 jewels in the watch movement. The movement's caliber is 24 millimeters. It also has a central second hand. The glass is made of plexiglass and protrudes above the watch case. This watch has a 12-hour analog clock face. The watch case is made of stainless steel. Case is matte. This model is also available in a polished case. Contact us for more info. The case diameter is 42 millimeters. The bezel rotates clockwise and counterclockwise. It moves silently. The watch dial is analog with Arabic numerals. The hand's dots are luminous and glow in the dark. Back casing is made of stainless steel. There are a few Russian words etched on the reverse side. They mean water-resistant 200M, amphibian, automatic, and shockproof respectively in English. Water resistance is up to 200 M or 20 bar. The crown is located on the right side of the case. For manual winding, simply unscrew the crown. Please note the crown glides freely even when properly attached and is not meant to be static. There are 3 positions for the crown: screwed, unscrewed, and unscrewed pulled out. The winding pin can be seen in this state. In this crown position, you can set the time. It's important to screw the crown down after you've finished. The watch bracelet is constructed of stainless steel. The lug size is 22 millimeters. It includes a folding clasp with safety. Vostok brand metal watches can be adjusted in size. On the inside of the band, you'll find several small arrows on certain links. Only the pins from these links can be removed. The arrow indicates which direction the pin must be pushed. Simply push the pins in the specified direction to remove the link. Metal watch bands with removable links can also be adjusted at the clasp to change the length. Simply remove the spring bar and reinsert it into one of the pre-drilled holes. Here's the watch on my wrist. My wrist is 8 inches or 20 centimeters around. Find out more on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Let's revisit the best features of this watch.